Oh, Tito T, gabi na. Shoot pa rin?
Uy, of course. Shoot all day, every day.
Grabe naman ang sipag mo, Tito T.
Not really. I'm just enjoying the night mode of my new phone.
Really? What phone?
This is the new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. Ang epic ng night mode dito, bro.
What do you mean? Di ba basta lumiwanag yung kuha mo sa gabi, okay na yun?
Hindi ah. The night mode can still improve the shots. And it's all about maximizing what you have. And if you have the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G, epic ang maximization potential mo. Just take a look at this photo that we took outside.
Hindi masyadong sumabog yung ilaw ng street light, and you will clearly see the background when the night mode is on.
Yes. So let's take another set of photos here, with and without night mode, para meron tayong set of comparisons.
Aba, okay nga talaga, no?
Diba? Sa night mode, mas emphasize yung mga parts with lights. And kita mo pa rin yung mga dark areas. Diba? Nakita mo naman sa mga shots natin kanina eh.
Grabe! Ang ganda nga, Tito T!
Yes, and epic talaga. Design ng Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G for capturing those everyday epic moments. Perfect for pro and amateur filmmakers.
Salamat sa tip, Tito T!
You're welcome anytime.